What if I told you that a single access control misconfiguration could shut down a school, halt a factory, or compromise hotel security? Sounds extreme? It happens more often than you think. Today, meet the ACTi Access Control Server, an all-in-one platform that protects your operations, cuts costs, and elevates security. First, let's talk about multi-channel monitoring. ACTi Access Control Server allows unlimited recording and up to 225 live or playback channels. Whether it's a campus, a production floor, or a hotel lobby, you gain total visibility. Security teams can monitor entrances, doors, and restricted zones, all from one interface. Say goodbye to blind spots and stay in control. Next, let's dive into event management. The server reacts to motion, line crossing, missing objects, disk full, network loss, and even external sensors. It's perfect for night patrols at schools, restricted factory zones, or high-security hotel areas. Alerts can trigger door locks, notify guards, or activate alarms, delivering fast, automated incident response. Now let's explore smart analytics. The system detects virtual fences, left objects, and missing items. You can prioritize camera zones, ideal for gates, machinery areas, or VIP lounges. If something suspicious happens, the system instantly alerts your team. It boosts real-time awareness while minimizing nuisance alarms. What's next? Seamless access and video sync. Every badge swipe is tied to video footage, removing uncertainty. From student attendance to hotel staff entry, you get instant verification. Logs and visuals work together to show who went where and when. It's faster, clearer, and more secure. Let's talk mobile alerts. Even when offsite, ACTi keeps you connected. Snapshots or live footage are sent straight to your phone the moment something abnormal happens. Whether it's an intruder at a school gate or a factory break-in, visual alerts help staff react quickly and confidently. Moving on, we have video push. Guards can live stream from phones to the control center. The footage is stored, searchable, and bookmarkable for easy review. Whether an accident at school, incident in a factory, or emergency at a hotel, all footage is captured for later analysis and resolution. Lastly, embedded websites. With NDR3 Web Controller, you can embed school attendance, factory dashboards, or booking logs, all into one view. No more switching systems. It simplifies operations, reduces errors, and puts all your digital tools on a single screen for faster response and better control. Ready to take action? Click below to get the catalog, request a demo, or consult our experts. From campuses to factories to hotels, the ACTi Access Control Server is your upgrade for unified video and access. Skip complex, pricey systems, go for simplicity, savings, and smart security. Choose ACTi.